All right, we're getting in some breaking news, and this is a very important and significant political news coming in that the Shiromani Akali Dal has decided to break ties with the NDA, and this is the kind of face-off that we've seen over the farm bills. And right now, political tremors. Shiromani Akali Dal has come out and has announced that it wants to break all ties with the NDA. A reaction came in from Sukhbir Badal. Amandeep is joining me on the phone line. There's a decision that the Shiromani Akali Dal took in the meeting, but was this expected, Amandeep, especially after the move taken by Harsimrat Kaur Badal over the farm bills?
Yes, exactly, Sagrika. Today they held a core committee meeting of Shiromani Akali Dal, and in fact this was the main issue to discuss about the farmers' issue, just because the farm bills are all agitated in the Punjab as well as in Haryana. And in fact, Shiromani Akali Dal was facing brunt of that just because they are the part of NDA. So now to gain politically, first Harsimrat Kaur Badal has resigned from her ministry, and now Shiromani Akali Dal President Sukhbir Singh Badal during a press conference announced that they cannot be a part of NDA. That is all against the farmers. In fact, I would like to mention here also, since the Shiromani Akali Dal has contributed only 2 Lok Sabha seats in the NDA alliance, still the BJP has given the ministry to Harsimrat Kaur Badal. But now this move, Shiromani Akali Dal, comes up just because they want to gain politically in Punjab. And in fact, the farmers are criticizing all the moves of Shiromani Akali Dal. They are continuously agitating, they are participating in all the protests along with the farmers, but still they are not able to gain politically. So this is another move of Shiromani Akali Dal, that formally announcing to break down the alliance with the NDA to gain their own political mileage in the Punjab. So this is the entire decision of core committee meeting. All the senior leaders and MLAs, including former ministers also, they all were present in the meeting, and they unanimously decided to break down the alliance with NDA. Yes, sir.
Right. Politically, what does this mean for the NDA, especially when we've seen how top ministers in the government have been on the front foot when it comes to countering the opposition's narrative on the farm bills? The government has made one thing absolutely clear, is that it is the opposition that in fact is misleading farmers when it comes to concepts or when it comes to aspects of Mandi and MSP. But right now, with one of its oldest allies snapping ties, how does this in any way, at least in the state of Punjab, put the BJP on the back foot?
Yeah, exactly, Sagrika. This as Shiromani Akali Dal always dominate in Punjab in the alliance, just because BJP shares the 49%, and in fact SAD was the party which dominates and shares 51% of the seats. And in fact, this is the kind of seat sharing happening in the Punjab as well. And in fact, all the chief minister, every time when the Shiromani Akali Dal came into the power in Punjab, all the time major ministries, in fact the chief minister also always remained with the Shiromani Akali Dal only. So BJP always is the second party in the alliance. They came in the ministers, but not on that powerful and important portfolios. And now breaking down the alliance, that might be a major impact to the Shiromani Akali Dal, just because they have to. They will be losing the support that is dedicatedly for the BJP in Punjab, and in fact they indirectly contributed to Shiromani Akali Dal also. But now somewhere down the line they will definitely lose that support, and just to gain their own mileage, just because every time Congress is coming up to target the Shiromani Akali Dal that they are the alliance of NDA, this is that is what the anti-farms bill. They try to shield their defense, so that's why they took a very strong decision. In fact, I would like to mention here also that Prakash Singh Badal, former Punjab Chief Minister and Shiromani Akali Dal president as well, former president as well, he was having very good tie-up with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, and in fact he has a very strong foundation with the BJP. But now when Sukhbir turned to be the president of Shiromani Akali Dal, it is a very big move from Akali Dal as well as for the BJP.
Big move,
and
absolutely,
for the NDA also.
Yes, big move, politically very significant. Shiromani Akali Dal, one of the oldest allies of the BJP, snapping ties, walking out of the NDA over the farm bills.